So in this video we are going to learn that how can we import the data set of the second SQL assignment of our course that's named Zomato. Sound fishy, right? So we are going to learn that how can we download the file. First of all, we have to download the CSV file. So when you click on your SQL assignment, here are assignment, and from the download attachment, and then Zomato one. This is a zip file. We can download our dataset from here. I have already downloaded it. So we are going to just open that file. Here is our Zomato file. Okay. So now we are going to extract that file. We have to also extract that file. We can not directly use a zip file. I have already extracted it, but I'll show you how to do that. Right click and then extract all. If you use a older version of Windows, you can extract this from here. And now extract, and here's our Zomato extracted file, this one. Now we are going to open our SSMS portal, SSMS application, and first of all we have to create a new database for storing our dataset. And since we are working with Zomato, or that's our assignment says, we have to create something like that. So the command for creation of a database is create database, and then the database name, which I would like to set as Zomato DB. We will run that all text, and we are done. From here, if we refresh that, we can see our database Zomato DB, and now we can import our CSV file into that Zomato DB. We have to do task and then import flat file. You can also do import data, but I will recommend to do import flat file because import data is a longer process, and we can do the shortcut from the import flat file. Now from here, next, and then we have to select our file. So click on browse, and then we will go to downloads. Here is our downloaded file Zomato 1, and here is our CSV file. We have to open that file, and here is our table name, here is our table schema. If you want to change the table name, you can change it here, and then next, and then we can preview our data. This is the data set we are going to import. Next, and here we can set the column types, which column get which data type, which column is can be set as primary key, which column can allow null values, etc. Next, and then we get the info about our data set. First, before clicking on finish, I would like to tell you that we are going to get an error. See, insert data error. And why we got this error? Because in the n varchar column, in the column restaurant name, we are using a new data type which is n varchar, and in some condition or in some rows the character is more than 50, or we can say in restaurant name some rows are which have more than 100 characters. So we have to set that to max. Same for this, and now if we finish, we will get success. You can see your data set by either writing here, or from here, and then tables, and then select top 1000 row. one more thing I would like to tell you that SSMS has a thing. It randomly assigns a table, a database whenever you open it. See, and just now I have created the database Zomato DB. So now, as we can see, the current selected database is medicine. But just now I have created that Zomato DB. So we have to manually do it. We can do it from here Zomato DB, or we can write the code for that. I recommend using the code. Use use then our database name, which is Zomato DB. I would like to recommend. I will recommend that to you guys because as we all know in interview they are not going to ask that how to do this. Instead they are going to ask how to do this. So when we execute it, see, we have Zomato DB, and now we can select our cells. Uh, Select star from then our table name, which is Zomato, and then we can get our data set. There's one more thing I would like to tell that why using Zomato DB is necessary. As we can see, first our database is set as medicine. So we'll do that. I will repeat the process. Okay. This was us before. There were us before some time, and now we can see that here is medicine, which was already in our database and which was previously selected. And if we try to run our query, which was select star from Zomato, if we try to run that, we get error, invalid object name, because now the selected database is medicine and there is no table named Zomato in that data set medicine. If we change it to where is our Zomato DB and then we try to do this, voila, we get all this. And lastly, I would like to share some thoughts, which is